What is up, Chase That Coin family? Shaka Daniel here, aka Chase That Coin. And today we want to talk about a trade that we're involved in, which is, I am so bullish this trade. We'll get into the details, but we're going to talk about Stratis. We're also going to talk about Iota. Iota is making moves. And we're also going to quickly discuss Monero going mainstream. We'll get into it. We're going to give it a few seconds to get some live viewers going, and then we're going to take off. I encourage you all to please share this out on Twitter, Facebook, send it to a friend in a message, whatever you got to do. If you're new here, hit like and subscribe. Please feel free to join us in our new Telegram group. People are talking in it right now. I should actually share this link. Let me share it. Yeah, so people are in the Telegram group. It's active, it's growing, it's only 2 days old. You can be one of the first members. We do a lot of bouncing ideas and talking projects and charts and talking hodling, talking Bitcoin, talking whatever. So join us in the description. The website is on the way. The website is on the way. We are working hard on the website. So the website is on the way. ChaseThatCoinTrading.com is on the way. So we're going to give it a few seconds. Let it get some live viewers in the stream, and then we are going to take off. So Bitcoin is pretty interesting right now. I've been calling out Bitcoin to have a slight pullback. All right, so let's quickly look at that because, you know, Bitcoin, I am super bullish Stratis right now, and Stratis has held its Bitcoin value versus hold its Satoshi value versus Bitcoin. But I personally do think and am looking for some kind of form of pullback. All right, so I am expecting that. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? One must dream. What is going on with my chart? Let's refresh this. Internet is slow today, ain't it? Okay, so we're gonna try this again. BTC USD. All right, it seems like it's working better now. Yes. Okay, so we have, let me check my placement on the screen. Where am I at? Okay. So BTC USD is a very interesting pair right now. BTC on the 4 hour, we've gotten multiple signs of pullback. It has respected the all-time high that Bitcoin created a few days ago. Now, I was watching Snip4's channel. I've been watching him for a long time, even, you know, before, I think before cryptocurrency. Yeah, definitely before cryptocurrency. I was watching Snip4 channel. He's talking about a guy predicting. I commented below. If you want to, go to Snip's last video with the crypto trader boss and like my comment, or read it, and if you like it, hit like. But talking about Bitcoin going up. Now, Bitcoin has gone up as an overall average of Bitcoin. Now, there are multiple exchanges that trade Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has gone up as an average. But the charts that I'm looking at, which is the most popular chart in the United States where I live, is Coinbase. And on the Coinbase chart, Bitcoin created an all-time high a few days ago, and it has struggled to break. All right, so that's what we're dealing with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin pulls down to the point of 10,969, so let's just call it 11,000, and consolidates there, alts will start to move. We'll see some nice moves in alts. Stratis itself is very bullish, despite what Bitcoin has been doing. So let's look at Strat. What is wrong with my internet today, man? Jesus. Jesus Christ. On a stick. Bad internet day. Is the stream good, guys? If this is doing this, what is the stream doing? And it was doing this last night too, but I just thought it was because it was late. You know, the internet acts crazy when it's late sometimes, but we're doing it again. All right, so Strat on the 4 hour. So right now, right, we don't have the most perfect cup and handle, all right? But we do have a cup and handle in here. All right, so let me try to give you guys a visual. All right, so we do have a cup and handle here. Now, in trading, I always advise people not to wait for perfection. Don't wait for the perfect hammer-shaped candle. Don't wait for the perfect doji. Don't wait for, you can't wait for it to be picture perfect as far as shape, because you'll miss out on a lot of trades. All right, so this isn't the picture perfect cup and handle, but I'm going to call this a cup and handle nonetheless. And one of the people in our group spotted it first on the 1 hour. All right, and then I came over and I said, yeah, it is doing that, nice spot in that, but I would like to see it on a higher time frame. And then the key to me doing this was zooming out, all right? Because at the time my chart was so zoomed in like this, I didn't get to see. But I've trained myself to overall zoom out, take a step back, and look at what's going on, all right? So then I did notice the cup and handle forming on the 4 hour as well. So I am very bullish Strat right now. They're doing their ICO testing, master nodes, blah, blah, blah. All right, I'm gonna stop shilling that part. But as far as the technicals, I'm very bullish. If this plays out, we'll know the cup and handle is official once we break out over 0.00068. All right, so once we break out over these highs, the previous highs on the 4 hour, we'll know for sure that we're in a bull, we're in a cup and handle. All right, so the stream is good, but just my internet is, the websites aren't loading for some reason that well. All right, so we're gonna talk Iota. Iota is booming. Iota is booming. Now, for videos upon videos, I've been saying Iota is one of those things where it's either terribly overvalued or terribly undervalued. And as far as right now, it's looking like it's possibly very undervalued. A few videos ago, I said that I wanted to start to get into Iota simply because it is the only thing up here that is really, truly not blockchain. All right. This is its own thing. It's a tangle. Now, the quick difference between the blockchain and the tangle, the blockchain records all the transactions. So the transactions that I was doing in 2015, in January, February 2015, they're still on record. I can go back and look at them. The tangle only records a very short history. So it's not good for as far as record keeping. That's not going to be something that the tangle is gonna be good at. So never let anybody tell you, oh, the tangle versus, you know, they're two different things. As far as the Internet of Things and as far as the idea and theory, I would see the tangle working for that. All right. But as far as like record keeping and a lot of things that we're trying to tackle with blockchain, the tangle is not going to replace that. All right. But it is possible for blockchains to speed up, scale up, and be able to do Internet of Things and keep records as well. In my opinion, it's going to be important for certain things in the Internet of Things to be able to communicate with each other, but also to keep a record of that transaction so they know what to do in the future if they encounter that situation again. So the robots won't have to always be in a new situation. They have a transaction history. So if blockchain can scale up and we can get, right now we're on blockchain. Level 2, layer 2 solutions, SegWit, Lightning. Soon there will be other things in layer 3s, and you know it's going to keep building, and then that's going to bring a lot more scalability, and possibly allowing blockchain to be able to do Internet of Things. But as far as right now, Iota, it seems like in theory Now, I still feel like the project, as far as fundamentals, as far as software and all, it's just a little early. But in theory, I think it's a good idea. But I'm not going to buy in at $3. I don't care if this thing goes to 10. I'm not going to buy in. Not here. Because there needs to be a correction. There needs to be a correction. But this is on my watch list. There's a few different things that's on my watch list. We got a few viewers in here. Everybody hit like and subscribe. If you're new here, turn on post notifications, all of that good stuff. Join us in our Telegram group. People are typing and communicating and chatting with each other as we go along. Please come to this video and like my comment on J Snip's video. I like J Snip. I was watching him before cryptocurrencies and all of that good stuff. But I do want to get on his channel and talk some cryptocurrencies. So how many viewers do we got? We got 26 viewers. All right. So Monero. All right. I'm not going to go to the tweet right now, but we're going to just discuss it. You can go and find this for yourself. Fluffy Pony and someone else, I can't remember the guy's name. There is a plan, and I can't remember the name of the plan. I know, I'm sorry, but this is accessible information. I'm pretty sure it's all over cryptocurrency Reddit, Monero subreddit, the Monero page, and all of that stuff. You can easily find this stuff, and I'll try to link it below. But check the links below, because there are links below right now. But there is a plan to try to get Monero to mainstream adoption, for people to use it a lot more. Now, I just saw that Mariah Carey and somebody else's album is now available for purchase with Monero. Quick history lesson for those of you who are new to Bitcoin. Quickly, in the middle of this, go share this on Twitter, Facebook, all that good stuff. Hit like. You don't have to donate. Just hit like. It helps more people find the stream, helps the channel grow. Join the Telegram, all that good stuff. But quick history lesson. Before Bitcoin blew up, 50 Cent's album, of Eminem, I think, a few people's album were available for purchase. Yeah, definitely 50 Cent's, but a few other people. Maybe Mariah Carey's as well, too, back then. And then, you know, a year later, Bitcoin really took off, and we're here where we're at right now. All right, so a year and a half ago, people were able to buy CDs with Bitcoin, and then it just started to roll from there. So the same thing could happen with Monero. Just to quickly, if you want to call it toot my own horn or whatever, but a few videos ago, it's titled My Top 5 Cryptocurrencies to Look Forward to in November and December, and beyond. Monero is one of them. Stratis is one of them. Obsidian is one of them, but Obsidian is a thin cap. So let's talk about Obsidian in January. All right, let's see where we're at in January. I think we're going to have a nice Christmas to January. Let's talk about that then. But Stratis, Monero, I called Neblio. All of those are taking off. The only one struggling a little bit is Monaco. But let's check the chart for Monero. And let's cross our fingers and hope that it doesn't fucking, excuse my language, it just goes to the page. God damn it, what's wrong? It's really bugging me out. So I have to call the cable company and demand some money back, because this is insane. I don't have the basic package. I paid to not get the basic package, to not have to deal with this. All right, so Monero is beautiful. Wait, I think I have a better chart. I think I have a better chart for, okay, no, is it this one? It might be this one. My Bittrex chart might be better, but hold on. Let's check the chasers in the chat with the streams and all of that. One Must Dream, what's up? Bitcoin J, Marcus 1988, Max, Not Fresh, The Human, what's up, everybody? GX, Jacob, Exla, Oit, Exla, Europe, what's up? Oit, Exla, from Europe, what's up, man? Unstoppable. I've wanted to get a Monero for a while, but its wallet takes so long to sync. Yeah, the wallet takes really long to sync. If I'm not mistaken, you can store. No, I don't think you can store Monero. Can you store Monero on Jax? Some of these things, some of these coins you're gonna have to, I hate to say it, but some of them I would take the risk of. Keeping them on an exchange, maybe like Bittrex, not just any exchange, but some of them, instead rather than using their wallet, because if I use their wallet and it's not that great and it costs me my coins, I'm gonna be furious. So I would rather just make sure I got two-factor authentication on my email, make sure I got two-factor authentication on my Bittrex account, and make sure I don't have my phone number connected to any of that, which I don't do, and then that's it. And then make sure my account is verified high enough that if the coin spikes, I can trade it for Bitcoin and pull the Bitcoin out maybe, or even if I want to just pull that coin out, I have a high enough limit to pull out a large chunk of that coin, and maybe it'll take me 2-3 days to do it at $50,000 a day or whatever. So. But Monero, I like the Monero chart right now. I would personally wait and hope. We might not get it, but if Bitcoin takes off, we're definitely gonna probably get it. But Monero does move against Bitcoin sometimes, but most of the time it moves with Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin takes off, I think Monero is gonna, come down a little bit. I would like to see it pull back into the 0.0145 area, and then see where we're gonna get from there. That's what I would personally like to see for Monero. All right, guys, how long have we been doing this? We've been doing this for 17 minutes. Not bad. Not bad. I will be doing another Obsidian giveaway. All right, but this time you're gonna have to subscribe, follow me on Twitter, and then I'll do it. All right, so all you have to do is subscribe, follow me on Twitter, and I'll be doing a giveaway. We'll get further details in that. So Obsidian did take a nice dip. All right. The good thing about this is the volume is building. The bad thing about this is we don't know what side this volume is building on. It is a very thin market cap coin. I hope you are not trading this. This is around the point of my original call to saying, Obsidian is a good coin to enter, and this might be a floor. We started watching it around 10,000, 9,000 Satoshis, and during the dip, it showed a lot of strength around 3,500 to this area, 4,000. So this is a strong area for Obsidian. The application is going to launch on Christmas. Now, quickly, let me give you guys a quick explanation of something in cryptocurrency. There are certain principles in cryptocurrency because, there's a lot of new learning amateur and, traders in cryptocurrency, and they're just learning, and someday they may be excellent traders. But as for now, they're just learning, and they're, certain principles they live by, and they drill them into the ground. All right. Like buy the dip, sell the news, buy the rumor, sell the news, so these things are principles that you should have and should use and should look towards. But in cryptocurrency, they get abused. So in cryptocurrency, right, the rumor could be something good, right? And then people buy it up, and then as soon as the day comes of that, they start to dump it. All right, not knowing that the real effect of that rumor is going to kick in a week, a month after, 2 weeks after that. Same thing that happened with Neo. Neo did their thing, It pumped a little bit, it dumped. It dumped. A month later, started to take off. Everybody went neo crazy. Now we have the Ethereum of China. So that's that. He says Jax is shit. I like Jax. I like Jax better than Exodus, in my opinion. I personally like Jax better than Exodus. That's just my opinion. Open Bazaar coming out with its own coin 2018. They should have been did that. I don't get the business model behind Open Bazaar. The idea is cool, but I don't get the business model. They should have been did that. Electric Gains, that request network, I'm still looking into that. I'm gonna get back to you with that. I haven't forgotten. Could I check out Burst? Yeah, since we got through a lot of this quickly, and I'm trying to work on making these, a little shorter, easy for you to digest. Then that way I can put out 2 a day, and people will feel comfortable. All right, I watched 30 minutes. The first that other one was good. Let me watch that one instead of hour and a half long. All right, everybody share this out. Hit like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. All of that good stuff. If you are new here, we just started a Telegram group, and it is growing. It is only 2 days old. We just got some new people joined. People are in here talking. It's not just me in here talking. They're bouncing ideas off of each other. I haven't been in here since earlier today, and they're going away. Make sure you go over here to JSnip's latest video, the Crypto Trader Boss, and like my comment. We're going to get on JSnip's show, and we're going to talk some crypto. All right? So Burst. Yeah, let's do Burst. I'm going to assume that, yeah, the ticker was that. Oh my God. I don't know what it is. And you guys are saying the stream is good, but it's not. On my end, it's not going directly to another page. Like, I have to reload it. This is insane. And it's really kind of starting to piss me off. Burst had its little time when people were really pumping it. And it's come down a lot, Satoshi value. Now the good thing, it has come down to a level, as far as back testing, the market has reacted to this level a few times. So I'm going to go and I'm going to say this is an okay level, just off of a quick glance of the eye test. As far as right here, all right, we do have a signal as to a reverse trend. Now, this is such a low, there's so many of them that, the Satoshi value is so low. I don't know the details on Burst. As far as I know, they do have some gambling, you can gamble on there or something like that, their own exchange or something. I didn't really look too deep into it simply because it was being pumped so hard at the time, and there were so many of them. So I was like, I'm gonna let this one go. But it is at a pretty good level. But the bad thing about this is, all right, you see this pattern right here, this dip, push up multiple days, dip, push up multiple day pattern. It has been doing this for a while. The good thing about this previous one, the current one, is the volume is increasing on it. So it is giving us this same wave type pattern, but the volume is increasing. So I do like that. I wouldn't get in right here, just my style. I would hope for a pullback, preferably into this blue support line, but on a shallow side, at least into approaching the moving averages. I use a 7 and a 14 moving averages for those of you who do not know. Glad to have you all here with me. I appreciate it a bunch. I never sold my Veritasium. I got in at ICO. So that means you're up very well. Okay, so yeah, somebody says it's TradingView. Okay, yeah, because I was doing it on my phone last night. I stayed up. I was up late last night. We were in a group. We were talking. What I actually did was I took a nap and then I woke back up at like 12 o'clock and then I went in a group and we were talking. So you could catch me on Twitter late nights at Chase That Coin. I'm on there. You could catch me in the Telegram group all the time. I'm on there. This is the Telegram group, the crypto chasers. All right. So we do have a few members. People are in here. They're active. They're bouncing ideas off of each other. So it's not just me, baby. We're talking trading. We're talking hodling. We're talking trading. We're talking Bitcoin. We're talking altcoins. We're talking ICOs. We're talking watch out for that scam. And one of the things that I want to show you guys that I pinned. Well, this is dang. Well, basically I changed it. Yeah, because I'm trying to get guys to create these custom stickers. If anybody's good with Photoshop and they can make us some custom stickers using the Chase That Coin logo and some other things involving crypto, you know, different coin logos or whatever, I will tip you guys if they're really good. Or if you just want to, you know, have something cool to add to the community as far as the channel, feel free to do that. But the post was, in that group, guys, I want you to bounce ideas off of each other. You'll make more money helping each other and putting each other onto good projects and different things, and maybe telling each other why, hey, that project might not be so good, or it might be really good, or, you know, you make more money helping each other like that than trying to pump and dump each other. All right, you'll make much more money like that, and it will grow bigger, and the moves will become more precise, and it'll be better if you guys help each other instead of trying to pump and dump your bag. It's never too late to switch bags. All right. If you lost 25% holding a bag and you want to make it back, that's a bad habit. You never want to try to be dying to make back losses from a coin. What's an example of that is, let's say if I hold Ethereum and I lose 25%, I can't be hell bent on trying to get back my 25% from Ethereum specifically. I have to be open to maybe, okay, selling Ethereum at a 25% loss and jumping in Monero, jumping in Stratis, jumping in whatever else, and then possibly making my 25% back like that. You can't be hell bent on making your money back from one specific coin. It's a very bad habit in trading, investing, in anything. All right. What's up, guys? Yeah, Telegram group. It's in the chat. Excuse me. It's in the link is in the description. Also, there's nothing there yet, but I'm working hard on it. The content for the website, chasethatcointrading.com, that is going to be here soon. Very, 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 very soon. When Chase That Coin Trading, sir. Yes, Jacob says help each other. He's hosting live meetups. I'm going to guess that means Seattle. Yes. The Do-Rag General, what's up? What's up? Salute. He says the Telegram group has potential. I appreciate that. Ethan says, thanks for the market updates. No problem. Follow me on Twitter at Chase That Coin. Like and subscribe. Join the Telegram group. We're gonna grow. We're getting better. We're going up from here. I smell a 10x in cryptocurrencies coming, and I smell a 20x in the channel. I smell a 10x. I smell Stratis mooning, and I smell a 10x in the channel. I can't do VeryChart because Very is on an exchange that TradingView does not recognize. Not even Coinigy lists Ether Delta coins. St. Louis. Okay. My fault about that, brother. Yeah, keep hosting those meetings. If you're out there in St. Louis, hit up Jacob for meetups. Help you learn all this crypto jazz. All right, guys. So how long have we been doing this? All right, 30 minutes. Clean, smooth. We will be back here tomorrow. I'm trying to give you guys a video every day. Yes, I like Stellar. I like Iota. EOS, I like Iota, I like EOS, but I'm not buying. There is no way that I'm going to buy those right now. No way. No way. Not at this price. We don't have any moderators in here. I'm gonna make some. We're gonna add mods to the group as well very soon. Make sure you guys come over here and follow the group. All right. If you're good with Photoshop and you can make custom stickers for the group, all right. We need some custom stickers. We need some Chase That Coin stickers here. All right, if we can get those and they're good, they're like real good, I will tip you. I'm going to tip you in a cryptocurrency of my choice, but I'm not going to give you any shit. I'm not going to give you a shit coin. I'm going to give you a coin. I'm going to, but you will be paid and it will equal up to US dollar amount if they're good. All right, so join the Telegram group. Hit like and subscribe, turn on post notification, guys. I appreciate you all. We're growing here, like I said. I smell a 10x in the channel. Stratis is about the moon. Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies to the moon, all that good stuff. And until tomorrow, baby, keep chasing that coin, ladies and gentlemen. Peace.